Hey, hello everybody. Update on the cheap Mustang build. The head's got some pre-detonation issues, as you can see here.
Minor pre-detonation.
That's minor pre-detonation issues right there.
Let's see, this is the good one. Nice and pointy. It looks like if it looks like it's got its nose chopped off.
Yeah, it really does. Anyway, I lapped the valves last night. Took me about 40 minutes to fix that one, and it'll seal with enough. I'm just kidding. That's for the head gasket. No.
You should have had a caulk gun next to it, which is this like bathroom sealer.
Yeah. This is what you get when you drink about 8 natties and decide a wood file would be a good decision to use on the surface of the head to machine it.
My favorite part though is like you used it on like the edges of the surface, not like, you know.
Oh no, I was drying. They're just like way lower. It's probably warped. But we have a solution for that. And if Kyle pans over,
it's to swap this into it.
This is how you properly... Let me smash this head on the glass table. Hello, fellow YouTubers. We're about to machine this head on this glass table, and it's gonna work beautifully. It'll work for at least 6 pulls, I believe. But with the added protection, we're gonna use some copper gasket sealant.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna run another 130,000 miles. Or
trouble-free miles.
130,000 milliseconds, whichever one comes first.
I mean, it might be kilometers. We'll split the difference.
You think my wet tape is gonna hold? No.
No.
Damn it. Oh, my bad. Take 2.
Oh yeah. You're gonna mill about 40,000 out of this head at the rate you're going at. All right, flip it over. Let's just see where the high spots are. Cause that's
It's like it's only touching edge.
Yeah.
A few more runs.
Just keep working it. Hope we speed this up in the actual film.
No, they're just gonna watch the whole thing.
Wow, there's a 35-minute video Brand just posted. Oh wow, just 35 minutes of him trying to resurface a head.
God, man. It's just barely touching.
Makes me wonder if the head's super warped.
Head might be warped, guys.
Oh, you want me to get the air gun? We can blow that off.
Nah.
Oh god.
Have you seen the head?
You literally, the air gun's right. Hang on, let me just zoom in. Right there. That is... still, hang on, it's still in frame as you're doing this.
We don't need the air gun. We might need the air gun. That's pretty good right there.
Would you say it's gonna be minty?
Minty? It's gonna be pretty spicy.
I mean, I'll stand back here so they can't get that good of a look at it.
As you can see, this fine machine work we've done, we've gotten all of the grooves out.
Yeah.
And all of the pitting from the exploded head. And it's definitely the flattest head on the market right now.
Yeah. Trick Flow is going to be reaching out to us for this technique.
And of course we've ripped a few pieces, so it's not the flattest head, but
it's flat enough for the girls we go out with.
Since all the machine work's done, and we're not exactly confident in the machine work that I did.
No,
this time it wasn't Kyle's fault. Copper sprayed it.
And then the boss is going to be like, still Kyle's fault.
Sprayed the head gasket both sides, and then we went real fancy.
Party like a rock.
Went real fancy on the interior paint job on this thing. Oh yeah, it says don't spray in internal of the engine.
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. Spicy.
It'll be very spicy.
I mean, come on, it's probably gonna blow up, so it doesn't really matter. We're giving it the best chance it's got.
I mean, if any side of the engine's gonna blow up, it's gonna probably be this side. All this. Yeah.
That was fucking loose.
You might wonder why it takes me forever to get projects done.
Oh,
Kyle, can you explain?
Because you refuse to use power tools and it rains every seconds in Alabama.
Okay, I don't like the power tool comment. I'm gonna skip that.
Hang on, no, pan behind you to show you what's taking up precious garage space. Oh, look at that. That car you haven't touched in like 6 months.
I touched it 2 weeks ago, and I did 2 inch.
Alright, start it up. Get it out of the garage then.
Hold on. Okay. Yeah, this is why we don't get projects done. It rains every single day in Alabama. Okay, yeah, it's raining now. Well, it looks like it's gonna pass quick though, so we might be able to get this thing done today.
It should be about a 2 beer storm.
Yeah, that's 2 natties right there. Might be a 3 natty storm.
Yeah. Well, it might be 3 natties storm if we try hard enough.
We're gonna build this engine. It's only been sitting there for 15 rains.
That's only like 3 days in Alabama.
Dude, our surface grinder's getting all wet. We're gonna have to replace that with a new Bridgeport or something.
I don't know. I say we get a claw thing.
Yes. Deuces. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and do the other stuff that you do on...
It's like 4 o'clock on a Saturday. We have like 2 more days of shit to do.
Okay, never mind. Boop.
So, we're over here. We got the heads installed on this pile of magnificence. And we've sprayed down to get all the debris through the engine with our trusty friend carb cleaner.
You get all the debris off.
And then
you throw Quicksilver Premium Lube.
Lower unit lube.
Yes.
To lube that cam back up because...
This is break-in oil for an engine that's already broken in.
This engine's broken. I don't know if it's broken in though. It'll be alright.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Kyle?
It's about time. Let's see if this thing's got some rod knock.
Alternator, power steering pump, not hooked up, belt's not on. We're not going to run it long without the water in it. Just want to see if we built it correctly.
Yeah, we're gonna see if the head gasket leaks with water in it, so.
Yeah.
Well, that worked. It started up way better than it ever has.
Yeah. Let me get posted up here. Dude, this thing sounds badass. Dude, this thing sounds better than any V8 ever made.
I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. I'm gonna go ahead and save your reputation.
No, this thing sounds awful, doesn't it?
I mean, it's like 60 Honda Civics with Farcan mufflers.
Alright guys. It's a pretty successful weekend. We got the Mustang running. I'm not going to say anything about how it runs because I don't want to jinx myself. It still sounds obviously like the worst vehicle on the planet. It's smoothing out. Be the end of this little. Oop, there you go. Be the end of this little video for the update on the race car.
The race car no one wants to see.
Yeah, no one wants to see it until I put a turbo on it, and no one else wants to see it.
Still, no one wants to see it, but it'll be at least have some cred.
Yeah. As you can see, driver's or passenger side's pretty primered up and pretty much ready for paint. To be A1 sauce. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share,
comment.
Also, go check out the LS videos because those are probably more exciting. Maybe for right now. Until this
more, yeah, we'll see what happens.
Yeah,
just watch some stuff.
All right.
Know what you want to see.
Yeah,
not the race
actually, yeah. Tell us what you guys want to see because we have enough projects to keep us going.
Yeah, you can say the race truck and we won't listen.
Yeah, don't say the race truck just yet. Anyway, hey, give it a good couple revs.
We had one thermostat housing bolt, the water pump's leaking.
Kyle says he hates this thing.
God, I hate this thing so much.
No more.
And it's not even just, you know, front jarring because it's a Ford. This car is just hatred.
Till next time, it's bad. Mufflers for sure. Anyway, guys.